Last night was a good trading session. If you were up for it, an A session, I know a lot of people are up, but if you guys are up, like tune in. Like T is always throwing something out there. Alex come in sometimes, Trey. I come in sometimes, chime in. We caught a nice bottom last night. Like some nice drops, some nice rally. Yeah, yeah. I know the agency sucks with some people, but because I'm working that time and I have free time, I get to trade it. So it was good. It was good. Like I was like marking the bottom down here. I knew it was within range. So I figure like if it gets close to that range at the bottom, we'll look for an upside. And now when once T caught long, I was like, oh, I'm jumping in long too. Caught that long, for three cons and just start trimming now because I was already up. And then yeah, play safe. But if you just ride it back up, you could have made a lot of money. Obviously it's hard to hold with this kind of action, but still, going long there made a lot of sense. Because I was like, hey, watch the 10 o'clock pre-market in London opened. You might see reversals starting to form, and well, hold and behold, it started happening. Uh, but yeah, that was cool, man. So just understand at a certain time, uh, the- for the market is usually like an indication of where a possible reversal could happen, right? Like Tokyo open, possible reversal, London open, possible reversal, stuff like that. Once you like trade long enough, have less screen time, and just taking notes and journaling, you start to see all that time where certain moves happen, and then yeah, you can make a better prediction. Oh yeah, but I think we get some volatility in today. First for an hour, and then we just probably chop around because the market is really just waiting for the FOMC decision, and then the commentary after that. So 11:30 before some big move. So I'm not comfortable trading XFA today. I'd rather see the smoke clear first, at least till 11 o'clock. See what happens with the rate decision. Hoping for if like I said, the most obvious trade is if they raise hikes, then yeah, you just short the market. There's no doubt about it. Just short the market. But if it's a hold, then yeah, we're gonna get volatility chop some more until the earnings happens, and then we get some clarity off the earnings report. Obviously, I think it's gonna be strong, but capex matters. Capex spending matters to them. So yeah, it's gonna be a big week. Oh, by the way, freaking Top Steps is gonna be throwing out some affiliates soon. And they don't care about follower count. It's not. They just care if you post and been positive with them. I don't know. I just know that maybe I be able to apply and see what happens. That'd be nice. I've been trading with them for a while. Like I like them. It sucks that T got banned for them for some stupid reason, but it is what it is. I just got hit with a hedge notice too because um I was actually trading my combine and my XR at the same time, but I accidentally went long, thinking that my combine already exited. Like I hit my TP, but it didn't hit TP, and I went switched long to my XFA, and they're like, "Fuck!" They're like, "Oh, I'm hedging," and took all that gains away from my combine. And then later on, next day, I had to sign like a waiver. It pops up like, "Hey, you have to agree that you hedged on this date." I was like, "Okay, yeah, I did on accident," but I think they knew that. They give you a warning at least. I don't know if you ever got a warranty, but they gave me a warning. So that's weird that you didn't even get a warning. I got a warning for the hedge, that quick hedge. Yeah, that's crazy. They didn't give you a warning, bro. I think they just don't like you because you took so much money from them. They gave me a warning, bro. Yeah, the app pops up and it's like, hey, tell me, hey, you were hedging, blah blah blah. This is a warning. I was like, all right. My bad. Yeah, that's messed up. And I think they're working on a Top Step app too, like application for mobile. So we'll see how it goes. They're looking pretty decent. Like I said, they're one of the company that I really like the most as a prop firm. Um, and it sucks that a certain person here in my Discord, T, no longer able to trade from them. Hopefully, you can get like a read, like I don't know, I don't know, hit them up, man. Maybe you can get a count back. Sucks seeing you in the sideline, bro. All right, market open. Are you on Tradeify at least or something? Yeah, go Tradeify. Tradeify is the next best one. They're doing great things too. They always treat their customer right. Don't ever go to shitty Apex. Don't ever go to shitty Apex. Oh, fuck that company. Lucid's pretty good too. I heard a lot of good things about Lucid. Yeah, I haven't really opened an account with Lucid yet, but I heard good things. My friend who's just decent. Their live is not that great, but who cares about going live really? There are some pivot levels here. 819.50 pivot level, 736 another pivot level. A break right here is another pivot level. We'll see within this range what it will do. Trading combine today, guys. I said XFA made good, decent money in the session, so I'm hands off today because it's FOMC on XFA. Not really gonna risk it, but combine, I'll risk it any damn day. Any damn day. No, so I gotta hit you guys with this. That's right. Why do you guys can hear that? Can you guys hear that? I'm trying to figure out a way where when I hit that, I don't have to put the mic close to the speaker or something so you guys can hear those soundboard. Be funny. Oh, you hear it? Ah, that's cool. I know when I was doing my recording, replay back, I can't barely pick it up. So I know I hear, but I don't think the mic picks it up. Just stuck in the middle of this range. Um, um, yes, a low, high. We're just stuck in this range for now. So far, got some volume up. Oil's up 84.63. Yields 4.63. Spy decent. Hmm. See what Meta's doing. Meta's starting off early. Meta has earning today, I think. My Meta and Microsoft is today. Uh, ASML, good bounce. Good action from the uh wow, the Asia low London. Nice bounce. EWY too, same thing. Some good positive action early. Even SMA checks okay. Yeah. Nvidia bouncing here. 195. Intel, wow, Intel's like 80 something now, 87. Gee, well, come buy some more of those dips. What else I like? DRAM under 50. I like that too. I want to buy some of that. All right, we got the or orb. I'll just use as a pivot. Orb low here, and then the orb high here. Things are looking positive early. Switch that to a 1 minute here. Feel like we can break out. Early nice push open. Positive. Like what I'm seeing. Get a pullback first. Get that pullback. See how strong it could pull like all the way to the orb low and reverses or near it. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see how strong this candle closes. I'm looking to buy in long. Let's see. No. Now it's giving back way too much. Gee. It's trying to hold here, but nothing yet. We push on Nvidia. Kind of hold here. How about SMH and XOKs failing? XLK actually made it an intraday low. Yeah, not looking good. It's trying though. Mm, mm, mm. Decent push there. But basically, it's tap into that fair value gap though. Tap into that fair value gap and just work down. 1 minute fair value gap. Your ICT Pro would be shorting here. I'm not. Yeah, it's expected, Mindy. We are FOMC today, so uh, this price action is expected. Yep, we want to play safe. Wait for FOMC events to clear out. I think anything here is still tradable. It's just you gotta aim lower, like a one-on-one risk to reward sounds more reasonable than expecting a high trend day, like a 1 to 2 or something. T, where you have your higher time frame liquidity at? Breaking the door right now. 28024. 28. Damn, that's high up there. Oh my god, you already shorted? You fucking bastard. Why you tell nobody, bro? Working in silence and shit. Nice short. Nah, nah, I get it, man. Yeah, man. Gotta take your trade. Yeah, you've been making a lot of good calls here lately. Just can't wait for you to get back, bro. You need to get back. Just use TradingView now. I think you're pretty much comfortable with TradingView now, right? Just link your TraderView account with TradingView. You should be fine. But obviously you can't have the click and drag paper trading is. Yeah, I think Tron is about to get another payout soon. I know I need another day for a payout, but my balance still kind of low. Maybe try to build up a little higher before I get paid, but definitely one more day, I get paid. Oh, what happened, Tron? Still 2 more days? Oh, okay. Yeah, I need one more day. You lost yesterday? That's fine. Breaking down under now. Yeah. Looking like a short. They going short early. I still expect chop. Let's see. Let's see if that's 27, 736 level holds. That's gonna be an opportunity for longs too. Don't worry. You missed the short, it's still long. Here's the next pivot level here. Yep. The 5 minute. If that doesn't hold, then let's look for this low here. Maybe come down wicked, grab some liquidity, and then we bounce strong. There. But if you short it, congratulations. ICT Pro came down, fair gap, wick. Pretty sure you guys put a short here if you do the ICT trade. That would yield great returns. Yep, that's massive short. Massive. Damn. Damn. Watch out for the 7 o'clock reversal. 7 more minutes. Oh, wow. Nvidia 194.33. XLK, yeah, selling off here too. SMH, nearing previous day low. So you see some positive support there. Google selling off too. Tesla just chopping around, but to the downside. ASML selling off here. Previous day low. Yep, tapped previous day low here. EWI at previous day low too. All day boom. Nice bounce on those previous day low support. Still not convinced. There's still a lot of negative selling pressure. Let's see how it reacts. Two more candles. Wait for two more candles, see how it reacts. There's too much negative momentum right now. Gotta see at least Nvidia trying to hold here. I really did like Nvidia for a while until now. They just spreading too much risk on. They're spreading a lot of seeds with their investment. and all this other startup AI companies and OpenAI 250 billion investment in AI data center for them. Like, bro, what are you doing? Damn. Anybody in YouTube shorting? Congratulations, man. Nice short. That's a nice early day short right there. I waited long. Let the seller have their fun. Let the seller have their fun early. All right, target one right there. Target two coming up soon. The pivot level 640, 600 around underneath something is that's the previous day low. Expecting stronger support level there. No doubt there's a lot of momentum down. If you guys want to short this. Oh, Chris, good job, Chris. Uh, yeah, you caught that, man. Um, you caught that. I was
I,
actually
I
expecting
think
what happened.
it's going to hit the Tuesday low.
The Tuesday low too. Damn.
That I think that's the plan.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Right now, things are not looking great. Everything's selling off early. I actually came into that thinking we might chop a little bit tighter in range. That's why we were hesitant to even short, but uh, I'm proven wrong. Proven wrong right here. My boy Chris caught it. Good job. Man, you. Oh my goodness. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. Oh my goodness. Even Citadel Bank was like expecting rate hikes. And that's just like, what are you talking about? And then JP Morgan, I think they came out and said something about don't buy stocks. Okay, previous day low for Nvidia 2 wick right there. Is that is that a sign? Can we see nice little bounce here? I want to see it back at least back 736 and hold at that pivot level. So far, strong wick on the 5 minute right here. That's pretty strong. Three cannon bar, possibly reversal. I want to see it do something like this. Maybe pull a W. Comments hold rough in here, and then we can go long. Damn. They left fair gap everywhere. Okay. Okay, okay. Decent bounce. decent bounce. Trying to hold here. One EMA. What are you gonna do there? Man, 27,640. You think so? Let's see if this bounce fell. Yeah, I think it's possible. All right. Let's see. If possible rejection, I probably want to just short this to come down to 640. Not a bad idea, but it has to look like a fail, kind of like a bounce, where we get rejection of a 21 here, like a hard rejection. Then I want to just short it. Hmm. No, looks like buyers is still trying to hold it here. Stu AW A no EWY is doing better. I need it. I need that strength out of ASML, and SMH is not looking that strong. XOK decent bounce candle. Nvidia is still not green yet. Can't entirely trust this move. Here's that one 21 he made test here. Wick off of it. I'm gonna see momentum here. Momentum still flipping. Starting to flip to the upside. Still negative. Hmm. See, Nvidia continuing to sell off scares me. We're at 192 now, 94 in Nvidia. Like, if it gets some strength on Nvidia, then I'll probably believe this bounce is real. It's reversal. But we're not getting that from Nvidia. Nvidia's actually trying to make a new low. Wow, Tesla shorts are up 9.1 billion this year. Yeah, Michael Blurry's probably having fun with that. Oh, now it looks better. Now the reverse is looking better. We even held above the 21 now. We never, yeah, it's looking better. Vita finally got a green candle. Could be true reversal here. I want to get in the next candle down.
Could reverse it, right?
Yeah, it's possible reversal here. That means I want to get in the next candle down.
Planning for short.
No, I'm planning to go long.
Hmm.
Oh, never mind. We flip red again. This rejection at the overload kind of scares me though. That rejection right there. But we're above the 21. We're looking better. Let's see. Is we starting to flip? It's trying to flip. Trying to flip. Be a little patient. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's look at the Fibonacci pullback. Does that warrant that retracement? We're not even into it yet. Hmm. Okay. Nvidia just knifed down to previous day low. I think it is a short. That was a pullback and continuation short. Let's go short here.
Order filled.
5 con. I'll have my stops high 808. Aim for the 640. Like a 1-to-1 almost. No, look. Actually, we can go for the previous day low too. If it gets there. Oh, yeah, I'm in short, guys. At 723, my entry. 808 is it's a pretty wide stop for 5 con though. Not gonna lie, but just give it some room. I might cut it earlier if I don't see what I like. Like, come on. Mm-hmm. Put the toilet there. Put the toilet there. All right. Toilet power coming in. Oh, you know what? I need to get that toilet flush soundboard. Let me look for that too. Come on. Yes. I got it. I got it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's flush this. Mm-hmm. Come on. What's there to think about? Let's flush it. Really? Did you really trying to hold it here? I'm gonna bring my stop down tighter. 780. The longer it sits here, the tighter I want to just bring my stop down. So I'm getting impatient with that move. I'm tightening up some more. 770 now is my stops. I should bring it down a little more. Here we go. Finally got there we go. Now just flash it. Do you need me to tell you to come on? No, you're not, Ralph. You're not in danger. You're looking good, buddy. Matter of fact, here comes the money, 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 money. Let's go. Money, 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 money. Let's go, guys. Yeah, 600 here. Break even. We're gonna see that TP hit or what? Come on. Come on down. Come on down. It's not my goodbye. I want to say 3. In case they pull back, I'll trim 3 here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, God, NVIDIA. Lovely. Lovely seeing you flush like that while I'm shorting. Oh, SMH, XLK. Things you're selling off here, guys. Come on. Woo wee. Making money, guys. Trim some cons. Trail your stops.
Yep. Yep. Not that.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yep.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Ooh, come on. A little bit more. 640 hit, Chris. 640. That target hit. I'm going for the previous day low now. The 640 target hit. Previous day low, looking underneath 600. Market want to flush early, let it flush early. It's all good. We take it. Oh my God, we have
Order filled.
nice decent little bounce there. All right, that means I took 3 off, holding 2 left. I don't want to give all that back. A strong bounce. I'll trail a little bit tighter. At this 9 EMA here, so if come back touch 9 EMA, I'll be out. But if we respect the 9 EMA and short again, then I'm still in the trade. So there's a couple ways you can trail your stops, right? Candle by candle or the 9 EMA, depending on how much you willing to let your runners run, how tight you want to tighten up your profit. I'm gonna let it see if we respect the 9 EMA, reject it. If not, cool. It's a decent move. Decent move. Right here, came back to 9 EMA, reject right here. You see that? So I'm just trailing that 9 EMA here. If it can respect that trend, it can continue to go lower. If it breaks that trend, then yeah, obviously it might reverse. So it's okay to be out. You know, 6-4 is pretty strong here. Sellers trying to get underneath that. They're really trying to. I'm gonna trail it down one more to this 9 EMA. XOK is trying to make new lows though. That's technology ETF. Yeah, it's basing here. Just look at the 5 minute. You can see, zoom out. That's level here. That was like near the London low. All is just levels, guys. All this is just levels.
Order filled.
Okay, I got stopped out there. So that London lows present a really nice support. Looks like so far. Not bad. Not bad for our first trade. Take it. Ooh, it's really trying to attempt to hold here though. So I'm wondering if I can long here. Dude, that'd be nice. Hit the bottom here. I'm gonna take a shot. I think I'm gonna take a shot long. Maybe not 5, do like 2.
Order filled.
And then I'll have my stop at that the new low, which is at 636. I'll take a shot long. 2 cons. Oh no. If this fails, I'll go heavy short and go look for the previous day low. Like that's the next target. I'll hammer and short again. London low is trying to hold there. Let me see, basing out. Nice bounce on the ASML. Decent continuation bounce on XLK. SMH, same thing. Nvidia is trying to hold here. This could be the bottom. That would be amazing. We caught that bottom for the day. I want to rally back up all the way back up here. Back to the 800. I'll aim for something like that. If we get a nice little reversal. I am in long, guys, at 606.70. Stop is going to be that low a day, which is 636 here. And target for the 800. Ooh, come on, SMH. I don't like that candle. SMH is still selling off here. XLK, same thing. I need to see a positive close on the second candle green. Give me a second candle green. Show me you can hold this. Oh, let me get rid of the toilet. The toilet's probably pulling it down. Ah, wow. We kind of fell bounce again. That's all right. Let's keep that level there.
Order
Oh,
filled.
yeah, it failed it. Damn. Good try. Now I'm just knifing down some more. I gave it a try. Small risk. I gave it a chance. All right. Now let's see previous day low here. Are we gonna catch fire here down here? Or will this be the last strong sell candle, and then that's when we get the real reversal? Damn. All right, let's see. Is any special news or anything? No. No, no, nothing, nothing here. Just technical. Just market selling off. Previous day low doesn't hold. Fuck it. Short. Keep shorting. Short until you not until you wrong. Like long until you're wrong. Short until you're wrong. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Not giving a damn about this level.
Order filled.
Fuck it. Fuck it. Yeah. Go short too. Got on this a little bit though. Got this a little tighter. Cause it's like this is more like a formal chasing entry. Broke previous day low. I'm chasing down. I don't know when this wheel will stop, so I'm gonna trail this
Order
tight.
filled.
There we go. 180 off that. Little scalp there. All right, let's look at the higher time frame and see how much lower can we go here. I have another level here at 456. Around there generally. Could go a bit lower, but looks like we're heading down that path. Destruction right now. Wow. Bloodbath. Bloodbath early. Good lord. Oh, I still think we get a strong reversal though. I still think we get a strong reversal. Just right now, it's just cells are winning. Cells are winning right now. Just be like something like yesterday. The sell early, then it creep back up later within the day. The story hasn't changed, man. The story hasn't changed. Oil creeping up slightly, but nothing crazy. It's 84 or something. So like, yeah, I don't see much crazy change here. Yields is there at 4.63. So it's all right. Sellers are in control. Take it what it is. Buyers still have a chance to step in. Where's VWAP at? VWAP is at 733 on QQQ. VWAP is at 27,855 at MNQ. Oh. Mm-hmm. Still very much respecting this trend here. All right, let's see if let's break this trend and we can go along to trend line break. You guys want to play the channel? You know, you can draw a channel too. Some people draw trend lines. Some people draw channels. You know, that's 1 minute channel. I'll be back. I'm gonna get some water. All right, I'm back. I'm gonna go long here.
Order filled.
Going long. 626. 539. My stop. Oh, we'll tighten that up as we go further up here. Looking for the bounce. I'm in long. Know why? Because I like danger. I like danger. Oh, yeah. There we go. NVIDIA pop. SMS. MH. XLK pop. There we go. Come on. Damn. 2.4 million of liquidity pool, huh? Yeah, I'm just watching the market, seeing some doji here, and then I'm seeing big kind of engulfing candle. So I'll take that chance along. Not out the woods yet, but we can break out this 21 EMA and hold. I think that's give a possibility that we could get a nice reversal going. I'm gonna tighten to the stop up though. Yeah, it's still within the trend to the downside. So yes, very much risky. But we're fighting the trend right now. Definitely fighting the trend. Yeah, that is the truth too. That is true. It would be nice if we just hold the previous day low here, though. For all we know, it could just look like grab liquidity, grab previous day low, and then now it wants to come back and rally, right? For all we know. So I want to see previous day low hold. So I have my tops pretty tight underneath that. That give me the sense of like, okay, yeah, we liquidity grab. Now we'll make a move back up. But if it keeps failing, keep testing this previous day low, then that whole story changes. Here we go. Keep testing it again. We keep testing it. Come on, buyers, step in. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Half past new combine. Nice. Nice, Sean. I want to get there. Give me 1,000, I'll get there. Half past. Oh man, yeah. Tuesday low not holding right now. Now saw and see more sell candle come in. Ugh. That 21 EMA short again. Fuck. It's losing it. I think I have to cut it. It's losing it. Hold it. Hold it here. Hold it here. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Hold it. Come on. Give me a chance. No chance. It's telling me no chance. Give me a chance. Oh, I got a chance. All right, I'm gonna trail through this candle here. That's it. That candle fails here. I'm done. Yeah, looks like I'm cooked. Looks like I'm cooked. No.
Order filled.
Ah, yeah. All right. Respect that 9 EMA, 21 EMA pretty well. Gotta respect you, sellers. All right. I'll get my long one way or the other. I'll just have to wait now. The long will happen. I'm gonna get my long. It's gonna be good. We're just gonna wait for it again. Go broke even for today. Not mad at. If you guys are trading XFA, please just lock in profit and stop trading. Just do that. If you guys train combines, if you guys made enough money where you almost pass whatever, then lock yourself out. Don't be trained like me. I'm on a fresh combine, so I can go a little crazy.
The market is really following the train, man.
Yeah. Don't try to squeeze that $10 to pass. Very true. I have it where there's like $10 pass and to try to squeeze it, and it ends up being a DLL. You just can't get it. Like some days you have it like, bro, it's $10, right? You go 1 micros, and it just like does the opposite, and like, all right, 2 micros, no, then 3 micros, no, 5 micros, fuck it, you know, it just piles up too many times, man. Too many times. I get it. I've been there, bro. So I never force it nowadays. Like if I'm like 10, $15 to pass, I'm like, oh fuck it, I'll wait for the next day, dude. Damn, it's just knifing down here still. Oh my god. No one like he's just too long. Crazy bastard. That's because you're paper trading. Hey man, if you were trading XFA, for sure you cut that long right already. Guaranteed. It's a different mentality of paper trading. You're trying to hold until you're right. Dang, your practice got over 40K? Crazy. I think the most I've done on my practice count so far is like 90K. And I traded conservatively too. Oh, now no, now back down to 86. I was up like 93K. Yeah. Making new lows. Making new lows. Everything's making new lows. Bearish as hell. Mm, my goodness. I'm gonna stop the other recording for now. 4 hours. Zoom out and see where can we. Where's the next support, man? I know I have 27,200 marked out too. My God, but it's not like a pivot level or nothing in the 4 hours. On a daily, we're looking at around 27, 147. That's a good pivot level right here. That's on a daily chart. Right. Damn, we just flushing early. Nothing looks good so far. Nothing. Red all across the board. Um, even financials get red. The sector that's been doing well has been red. Healthcare is up slightly, but other than that, yeah, red across the board. Oh my god, Target is up for some damn reason. Energy XOM, you're expecting that to be up. Disney's up 0.2%. Odd. M is down 5.59%. Goods, SMCI, Universal Healthcare 0.7. Delete this. The crypto slightly up. Snow, wow, Snow have a good day. That's software. Snow up 5%. Odd. There must be something about it. Snow make it go up 5% today. So yeah, most of the software name like Intuitive, Adobe are up. So was it because of Microsoft? Let me look. Yeah, Microsoft is slightly up too. So software is up. IGV, but that's not enough for market to pull. Are we making it tighter, plan? Or is this gonna be another one that's pull back and then short again? I don't want to fall for that again. Maybe let's wait for the 21 EMA to get um respected. I mean, look at this momentum indicator here. Yeah, I see each one, but I don't know, man. It looks suspicious, bro. Like, it looks so suspicious, man. Still negative momentum though. The 1 minute. I'm gonna check the 5 minute. The 5 minute did not show anything positive either. I need to see some strength. Earlier I was jumping like one candle green and when I see the market green. I think I'll wait for the second 5 minute candle green on all of the indices. Like Nvidia, SMH, XOK. I want to see the second 5 minute candle green. Then I'll look too long again. Where's Trump? Man, he's trying to save the market later on with the Feds done with their decision. Most likely he'll come out and say something, but then he appointed Kevin Walsh, okay, just the same way he appointed Jerome Powell, and Jerome Powell flip on him. He did not expect that, but Kevin Walsh is one of the guys that he appointed so for a rate cut deal guy, but he has to work his magic. He can't come in and like, oh yeah, we're gonna cut rate. No, 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 no. He has to change things around how they conduct their inflation data numbers and all that stuff. He has a whole new task force for that now. So once you change the way you interpret the data, then you can start thinking about cutting rates. Oh, what's up, Twan? Damn, you spy me on YouTube too, bro? Nah, I appreciate the sub. Helps. I appreciate everybody who are subbing, tune into my YouTube live every morning. As August approaches, as back to school starts, the session will be shorter. Just so you guys are aware. And it could be one of those things where I don't know. I could be in and out of the live streams. Just once I drop my kid off, I can get back in and trade some more. But I have to see it. Like I hate doing that. Be on and off the stream. I want to have a continuous loop live, but we'll see what the time permits me to do. As my kids gets older, then obviously that would change. He'll learn how to get read by himself and be more independent. But he's still a little bit young, and I'm trying to push him to be a little bit more independent. But kids gonna be kids. Getting out of bed is like one of the hardest things. He's still asleep right now. I let boys sleep till like 9, 10. And he falls asleep like around when I come home from work, like around 10. Then he goes to bed. Oh my god, I gotta change his sleeping habits.
It's summer.
I know that's the thing. This summer.
Let them sleep.
Yeah,
That's
true.
what I do.
Yeah. General, I'm not trading my XFA because I explained earlier this morning that I do not want to take that risk on FMC day. Yeah, I don't want to be trading an XFA on FMC day. It's just a lot of risk. I rather, plus I made money on it. Like, so why I want to risk on the day that's risky, or I made money on it on the Asia session. Okay, now we get in the second green candle I'm looking for. I'm looking too long again, but it's 2 more minutes for this 5 minutes to close. Let's see, we'll get disappointed or not. Long look promising right now. It does. It does. Not gonna lie. But I've been faked out a couple times already. But now we're above the 21. We kind of held it. I just want to see. There's 2 more minutes to the 5 minute candle on XFK. Oh wow. Okay, never mind. I like it a little bit more now. No, let's go for it.
Filled.
Let's go for it. That's a strong candle. I'm going long. Let's go long. Let's see. Long and strong it. I think we'll close green. Second candle close green anyway. So go for it. Yeah, I hope that answered your question, General. It's FOMC day, so I'm not trading my XFA today. It's risky. I will trade it. I would possibly trade it if we get a rate decision that they're gonna hike rates decision by 11. If that's the case, market's gonna sell off a lot more. Then I'm down to short the market. That's like almost a guaranteed move with all this negative pressure already. But if they decide to hold, which more than likely we're gonna hold rate the same, then yeah, I'm not gonna trade because I'm gonna wait for earnings to occur and see how market reacts after the earnings. The more clarity. Let's get a dead cat bounce. Come on, you can do it. Just a tiny, small bounce, man. Breaking out trend here too, so could be a good thing. Finally breaking out a trend. Testing the previous day low again. God. Please do not put me to sleep here. Do something. No. Oil is creeping up. 85.39. Use creeping up too. Did we get faked out again? Possibly, but we just rejecting the previous day low on QQQ. It's the same as NQ, rejecting that previous day low here. I'll still give this a chance, man. There we go. Good chance. Ah, damn. That's a strong wick out of that previous day low. Oh no, Nvidia is making a third green candle here. So is SMH, XLK. Oh, ooh, I like that. I like that. Oh, we haven't really seen that type of action from buyers, right? Usually we get the pullback and then continue. Now we've seen the pullback and then finally fighting back for longs. They're finally trying to fight back. That's good. They normally just like slightly pull back, short, slightly pull back, and then continue short. Now it's pull back, try short, and then buy a step back in. All right, I do like that. I think this is it. Minnie, your mic is on. I had to mute her. Sorry, Mindy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Go for it. I think we chop back up, man. Yeah, looking better. Looking better. Looking very promising here. Looking very promising here. Oh, now we trail up a little bit, right? Now we're just gonna trail up a little. Tighten up a little wrist. Let's go. There's a pivot area I want to see cracked. I think we'll crack this pivot area here. This is where I might want to be aggressive and add to it. Let's see. With 500, I'll wait till we get at least to 500 profit, and then I'll smash another 5 cons. Like for all we know, it could just range in base here. Meaning it just could range in base here for like forever until FOMC event. Right? I've seen that before too. Like it just ranged tight coil until FOMC 11 o'clock. No, that's man. FOMCs is where I don't like. I learned not to trade XFA anymore. Like I just don't care, man. I'm not gonna risk it. Yeah, look at that strong rejection. Oh, I like that it fell. I was like, if that candle failed, the short failed, that would look very nice. It did do that. I'm gonna have an ad here. Stop by 5. As soon as it breaks, give it a little break. I want to say about 660. I'll add there. It's gonna take a while. Got another hour for lunchtime, and then that's really gonna get really choppy. Cause after lunch, we got another hour. FOMC rate decision. Then half an hour. Ken, welcome to the podium. And I'm not gonna stick around for that. I'm probably gonna be done already. If you guys want to trade at the whole FNC event, go ahead, take that chance. The rate decision is all I care about. If they hike, that give me an opportunity to come in and short the market. If they don't, okay, I step back, chill. Yeah, I like the fell short. Buy some in. You want to push it here, break that pivot. I'm gonna add to it right here, 60 mark. Stop market buy. Come on. I'll add into that momentum and I'll fill my TP down a little bit lower. Once I add hit, come on, you can do it. I'll take 15 for the day. You can do it. Oh my god, trigger it again. Sellers there. Mm-mm-mm. Why it gotta disappoint me there? Well, at least it didn't add in itself. That'd have been way more disappointing. Decent bounce on SPY too. Decent bounce so far. Let's see the 1 minute. Are we squeezing? Yeah, finally. Wow. A little bit of liquidity here in the Asia low. There's an order block there, but I think we breached that. There's another order block at 27,821, also near rewap. So there's a lot of right here. A lot of resistance here. There's two confluence levels. There's a rewap there and there's an order block there. That back, what is it? 20, 27, 882. No, it's a little bit, it's not there. It's up here. 27, 8 something. Yeah, it's up here. The 820s. That's where the rewap and order block is at. It's struggling here, like it's struggling here. That time looks like attempting to break out. Sales coming back in strong. Like strong, strong. And that's why I was afraid of. Like it could just trend here. It could just be trendy here in range. It could just have a tight window top all the way to FOMC. Oh my god, look at that. Nasty, dude. Took buyers a long time to bring up this much and then two candles down. All it took is two candles down and wipe all that progress. Fucking sellers are strong. watch anime. I do that later. Surprisingly, this year didn't have that much good anime that came out. Still waiting for the next Demon Slayer movie. Anticipating, waiting for season 2 of Solo Leveling. I think coming out. That's season 3. Forgot, but yeah, Black Clover too. That's a good hit. Waiting for that. I'm watching the East Castle right now on Netflix. That's pretty good. You should try it. It's more like a Stranger Thing kind of feel to it. The selling looks bad, but I don't think it's gonna continue selling hard again here. Honestly, I think it was just gonna we're gonna get a pullback up higher. I think this is just a little bit of a chopness going on, but it doesn't look so bad. It looks worse because it's near my stop loss. uh, I can extend it down a little bit to 800. I think it holds pullback. Really choppy period coming in towards lunch too. And I think the lows are in for now too. Really think this is the low for today. For now, things will change our FMC rate decision, but for now, I think this is the low. Yeah, I do like that pattern. That's no, I might even add early. I'm gonna add in early here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go for it here. 1500. Break it. Up in 10 cons now. So I can't have this come back down now. This is it. This is it. This is it. The pullback now needs to come back up. Now this is it for me. Oh, hit deal if this fails. Damn. Price action putting me to sleep, man. DRAM. Oh my god. SMU. MU. Ooh. Looking ugly there too. I'm gonna get stopped out here. Oh my god. I try. Let's see. Doesn't look good.
Order filled.
Oh, does not look good at all. Alright, I'm done. I tried it. I tried. 1x, one combine for the day. I'll come back 11. I'll see where the rate decision is gonna be at. If it's like I say, if it hikes, I will short. If not, I'll be done. Didn't get what we wanted. A little bit of a chop zone right here. Was looking for, hoping for this pop to continue as a pullback, but we get more selling after that instead, which sucks. I went a little bit aggressive to it at that point. I was like, yeah, nope. So we're just in range here, getting close to the lunchtime hour. I don't expect much for the market now since we're in that zone. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be that tight core range chop until we get past FOMC rate decision. So until then, I'll be back. I'll be on mute. I'm gonna turn the stream off. Yeah, I'll turn the YouTube stream off too. It's not really trading anything. I'll be live with you guys on Discord later. But for sure, I'm turning this thing off.